Kim absolutely loves to wake up every morning and tan in the blazing sun, but now has realized the harsh effects of the UV rays on her skin. Sunscreen reduces your overall UV exposure and lowers your risk of skin cancer and sun damage. 9,500 people are diagnosed with skin cancer every single day, and more than 2 people die from skin cancer every single hour. Regular daily use of SPF 15 sunscreen can reduce your risk of developing squamous cell carcinoma by about 40% and lower your melanoma risk by about 50%. Cover up and protect your skin. Visit skincancer.org or call 212-725-5176 to fight skin cancer and save lives.